A lot of buyers get help when purchasing a home, but the difference between a smooth transaction and a stressful one usually comes down to two things: paperwork and timing. If you're planning to use a gift grant or any kind of assistance, this is what you need to know to avoid delays. Let's start with who can actually give you money. Most lenders allow gifts from family members or people with a clearly defined relationship to you. Think parents, siblings, or close relatives. What you want to avoid is money coming from someone that can't be clearly documented or explained. If the lender can't verify the relationship, it can slow everything down. Next is documentation, and this is where a lot of deals get tripped up. You'll need a gift letter that clearly states who the money is from, the amount, and that there is no expectation of repayment. You'll also need proof of funds, usually account snapshot showing where the money came from. Simple, clean documentation is what keeps things moving. Now let's talk about how to actually transfer the money. Best practice is always a wire or direct transfer, something that creates a clear paper trail. Avoid cash deposits at all costs. Those are red flags for lenders and can cause major delays. Also, make sure the names on the accounts match up correctly. This is something underwriting will check. There are also a lot of programs out there that can help. Some are true grants, you don't pay them back. Others are second loans that may be deferred or forgiven over time. These programs usually come with income limits or location requirements, so it's important to check eligibility clearly. Here's where strategy comes in. You can often combine different types of help, like using a gift for your down payment and seller credits to cover closing costs, or even buy down your interest rate. When structured correctly, this can significantly reduce your out-of-pocket expenses. Timing is everything. You want to disclose any gifts or assistance to your lender as early as possible. Funds may need to season in your account, and underwriting will verify everything before closing. Last-minute surprises are what cause delays, so the earlier, the better. If you're planning to use any kind of help when buying a home, the best thing you can do is ask your lender for a gift and grant checklist before any money moves. That one step can save you a lot of time and a lot of stress.